Hello friend, welcome to Entry App. My name is Akash Shukla, your quant educator at Entry App. So guys, as you all know that we are completely done with RRBPO 2021 exam. 1st August and 7th August, these were the two dates on which RRBPO 2021 exam was held. And now guys, we are done with both the dates, we are done with all the shift and all the exams guys. So guys, in this video we'll be doing the state wise expected cutoff. So you guys all know that ki cutoff or expected cutoff always depend on three factors. One is what is the difference in the number of vacancies in the previous year and this year, and previous year cutoff, okay, previous cutoff, you know that. And one of the most important factor that we have to consider, which is what guys, difficulty level of the question paper, LOD, the level of the difficulty, okay, difficulty level of the question paper. So these are the three factors on which cutoff depends. So I will be considering all these factors while doing the expected cutoff in this video. But before that guys, let us see what was there in 1st and 7th August question paper. Yeah, we saw some ups and downs in the level of the difficulty of the question paper and topics being asked in the question paper as well. So guys, we'll also be considered that. So guys, see RRB PU 2021 and overview. So guys, first of all let's start with 1st August. So 1st August हमने क्या देखा? Obviously shift 4 was, shift 1 to 4 was there. Okay, shift, if we consider all these shifts, so shift 1 was quite easy. ठीक है, not much easy, not much easy, but as compared to shift 2, 3 and 4, shift 1 was quite easy, but shift 2, 3 and 4 were difficult. But in all these shifts, the number of attempt, the excellent attempt I have to say was around 50, and the best attempt was around 45 to 50. Yeah, a category of a student is also there who attempted less than 45, but I am here talking about the 45, the best attempt only, that was 45. Okay, for that was varying in between 45 to 50. I am talking about the 1st August examination. Okay guys, and why the question paper got very difficult? Just because of the mathematics section, just because of the mathematics section, because mathematics question we saw some of the questions that in which student took some time to solve those question. स्टूडेंट ने बहुत टाइम लिया उनको सॉल्व करने में, और कैलकुलेटिव था, सबसे बड़ी बात है यहाँ पर, ये कैलकुलेटिव था, ठीक है, कैलकुलेटिव था, और इसमें क्या है, टाइम लेने वाले क्वेश्चन थे. जो हमारी केसलेट डीआई आई थी, केसलेट डीआई वर ऑल्सो क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट और क्वाइट मॉडरेट टू डिफिकल्ट वी हैव टू से. और उधर रीजनिंग में मिसलेनियस सब बिल्कुल सही था, बट आउट ऑफ 4 और 5 पजल 1 to 2 पजल वर देयर जिसमें बच्चों ने टाइम लिया सॉल्व करने में. And I just told you कि we saw some ups and down in the difficulty level of the question paper. So guys, on 7th August, what we saw on 7th August, we have started dealing with the easy level of the question paper. So guys, in mathematics section, all of a sudden the best attempt was increased as compared to the 1st August. So if we talk about the 1st August, so guys, 20 to 25 was the best attempt. This is what student reported to us. And guys, if we talk about the 7th August, then the best attempt in the mathematics was 25 to 30. So guys, you can easily see कि all of a sudden the best attempt was increased from 20 to 25 or 25 to 30. ठीक है. And guys, one more thing what we saw today or 7th August examination, वो ये था कि shift 4 जो था, that was quite difficult as compared to shift 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, I am also saying that shift 1, 2 and 3 were not much easy, but shift 4 was comparatively difficult. So guys, this is what we had to do first, the deepen analysis of question paper. So this is all about the RRB PO 2021. Now let us do what can be the expected cutoff on the basis of the previous year cutoff and the number of vacancies in a particular region or particular state guys. So we'll do the expected cutoff on the basis of these two factors, and the difficulty level we have considered on this page. So guys, this is the expected cutoff. The number of vacancies if we see guys, previous year 2020 4300 plus in the initial time I'm talking about, in the initial time only, okay. And this time we saw in 2021 4700 plus vacancies, and still some banks are there that are not reported, that they will be reporting regarding the number of vacancies in the coming time. So definitely vacancies will be increased. So guys, let's see ki state wise cutoff what can be in 2021. If we talk about Uttar Pradesh, so 2020 vacancy guys, 1792 vacancies were there, but in 2020 we saw 1912 vacancies. So guys, IBPS RRBPO 2020 cutoff was 47, and guys, just because of the number of vacancies have been increased, so obviously number of candidates going to mains examination will also be increased. So guys, if we consider these two factors, like number of candidates in the mains examination will be increased, and the second one is what, the level of the difficulty. So we can say कि 45 to 49 or 45 to 50 will be the expected cutoff for Uttar Pradesh for the general category I am talking about here only, okay. So this is a very good news, because most of the student reported कि sir 45 to 50 we have attempted, should we go for the mains or should we prepare for the mains? So guys, this is very good news for you. 45 to 50 is the best attempt. Talking about the Haryana guys, so 52 to 127 again we saw increased number of vacancy. So 60.5 was the cutoff, but here the difficulty level has also been increased. So maximum 58 or 59 will be the cutoff this time in Haryana state. Madhya Pradesh guys, 230 to 76 we saw. So number of vacancies have been decreased with a very rapid pace. So guys, definitely number of candidates will be going to mains examination will not be much more as compared to the previous year. So guys, previous year the cutoff was 44.25, but here we'll be seeing ki cutoff will lie in between 46 to 50. 238 and 235, so we saw not much change in Gujarat. So guys, 59.75 and 54 to 58 will be the expected cutoff for the Gujarat. In the same way guys, you can see here Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Uttarakhand as well guys, okay. Yeah, Uttarakhand guys 5 to 30, and number of vacancies are not much. That's why previous year the cutoff was much higher than the other states. 61 was the cutoff. So this time we can also expect ki 56 to 60 will be the cutoff, considering the level of the difficulty of the question paper. So definitely from Uttarakhand not much more candidate will be selected for the mains examination. Let's do some other state analysis. Odisha, so guys 25 to 60, so 57 to 60 will be the expected cutoff for 2021. Himachal guys 51 to 55. Tamil Nadu, we saw in Tamil Nadu almost double the vacancies. So guys, definitely cutoff will be decreased this time. So 58 to 52, 48 to 52. Rajasthan guys, cutoff has been decreased, but we have also to consider the level of the difficulty of the question paper. So 58 to 61 will be the level of the difficulty according to the level of the difficulty. And 214 to 200, there's no much change. So guys, 50 to 54 will be the cutoff. Assam 120 to 148, 41. So guys, 39 to 43 for the Assam. 100 to 63, so guys 44 to 46 for the Chhattisgarh. Jammu and Kashmir guys 49 to 53 will be seen as the cutoff. And Maharashtra guys, Maharashtra 46 to 49 will be the cutoff this time. Maybe you may have maximum cutoff for 50. So in between 46 to 50 you can expect the Maharashtra cutoff. For Jharkhand guys, 54.25 was the cutoff in 2020. So guys, 52 and 56, this 52 minimum and 56 maximum will be the expected cutoff in Jharkhand guys. So guys, this is all about the cutoff. And yes, at the end of the video, please share your number of attempts as well. कि what was your number of attempts, ठीक है, what was your number of attempts, and you were of which shift and which date as well, 1st August and 7th August, or shift 1 and shift 2, okay, shift 1 and shift 2 as well, okay. So I think that this video will be very deep, will be based on a very deep analysis for you, and you will like the video and share the video as well. And before ending guys, let me tell you one thing. Entry has launched Entry Gold Banking for you guys, in which one mentor, that I will be the mentor and I will be giving you the live classes, complete study plan, WhatsApp group, PDF material, recorded classes, 24/7 personalized mentorship will be there. But for that you have to fill up a Google form. Fill up a Google form that you can find in description field, guys. You can find in description field, and my team will be calling you to give you free trial, guys. Free trial or free demo, you can say free trial. There is no any charge for the free trial, guys. Okay. And before that, I will also like to say, guys, if you have not downloaded the Entry app so far, so download the Entry app. Link you can find in description field and the pin comment as well. And you can start your bank exams and insurance exam 2021 preparation with free of cost, with free high quality mocks and video classes. Apart from the YouTube comment, you can also connect with me on this WhatsApp number. This is my personal WhatsApp number, guys. Okay, so this is Akash Shukla, guys, signing off, and good luck for the exam, guys. And yes, don't forget to comment under the video, guys. Thank you very much.